Alrighty, y'all. Now that we've got all our ingredients here into our skillet, I'm just adding in some garlic powder, some onion powder, and now I am just coming in with my whole milk, and we're gonna start just pouring that in here. We've got our Velveeta cheese, we've got some Colby Jack. I also use some pepper jack. I'm just gonna break this up. We've got our ramen noodles, some ketchup and mayonnaise to flavor our sauce and make it creamy. And we've got some butter in here. And we are just gonna let all of this melt down and combine. We're making a super easy and delicious lunch today. And with those ramen noodles, it is pretty cost effective. We like to get the Velveeta when it's on sale, or of course you can buy the store brand substitute ramen noodles. This is just such an easy, affordable lunch. I think y'all are really gonna love it. All right, y'all, we've just been stirring this for about 5 minutes, and our noodles are starting to cook and break up here. Isn't this looking absolutely delicious and gorgeous? This beautiful, thick cheese sauce. I'm gonna come in with some crushed red pepper right over the top for a little color and flavor. I'm gonna turn down my heat. Alrighty, y'all, I just got a bowl here. I am coming in with my tongs to grab, whoa, it's very sticky and thick with that cheese sauce, y'all. You can always add some more milk if you prefer to have a little bit of a thinner sauce. Just gonna stick these guys right in there. And now for the moment of truth. Y'all, this is just such a quick and easy way to make lunch. It is thick, heavy on the protein from that Velveeta and also our other cheeses and whole milk. Y'all, this is so good. You've gotta try it.